Hey Anchored Outdoors audience, I have been getting loads of questions lately from people asking me for recipes that they can make at home to keep them from having to go out using ingredients they have on hand. So today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt. Making yogurt is a very simple process. If you've seen my last video where I showed you how to make ricotta, it's not too dissimilar. It's actually more simple. So all you need to do is have milk and a culturing agent. For the culturing agent, you can use products you can purchase online, have them shipped to your home, or if you have yogurt on hand in your home, you can use that as well. So we're going to be using whole milk, non-organic, fresh as possible. If you can get raw milk, that's absolutely the best. Do not use ultra heat treated milk. As with all cheese and yogurt products, it won't culture properly. So we're just going to heat this up to 195 degrees on the stove until it starts to froth and bubble. If you have a thermometer, use that. That will work really well and help you precisely tell when you're at 195 degrees. It's not absolutely necessary. You can just keep an eye on the milk. When it starts to froth, pull it off the heat. So our milk has cooled off to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. I've got my 5 tablespoons of live bacteria culture yogurt sitting here ready to go. You don't want to pour the yogurt directly into the milk because it's not going to mix up properly. So you want to take a little bit of your warm milk, pour it into your yogurt, and then just give it a stir. Once you've stirred it up, loosened up the yogurt so it's completely mixed up, you pour your mixed thinned out yogurt back into your warm milk and then give that a good stir. What I do and what I've done for years, I've got my warmed up milk inoculated with culture and I wrap it in a towel, keep it nice and warm in here, just like this. I'm gonna put it in my oven overnight with the oven light on. Don't turn on your oven. It'll be ready to go in about 12 hours.